Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning back in today. And for those that are here for the first time, welcome. I go by the name of Pila. Don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I am going to be doing what I do the most, what I love doing, which is reviewing hair. I think you guys should just call me or see some of my hair reviews or something like that, because I mean, like, I'm always plugging you guys with those hair companies, you know. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing hair from a company by the name of Soul Lady Hair. I'm gonna link all the details on the description box down below. Alright, so this is how the hair came. It came like this. Unfortunately, I've opened it because the excitement was just a lot. I just couldn't. I wanted to see how the hair looks. So this is how the hair was delivered. It was delivered via Aramex from China. So it was sent to me on the 21st of October and I received it on Friday, the 1st of November. So the hair came in this box. It came in a pink box and it's labeled Soul Lady Hair, and it has their website, which is www.soulladyhair.co.za, and then it's written 100% virgin human hair. And then at the back it has hair care, so it will tell you how to take care of the hair. So this is what I got. Oh, and then the hair. The hair is 14 inches. It's a bob 13 by 4, 150 density Brazilian hair, and the color is natural. It's a lace front wig. What do you think of the quality of the hair and the lace? Alright, the quality of the hair is nice and proper. The hair is nice and soft. It's not shedding at all. Nothing is coming out, and the lace is nice and soft. It has a normal hair smell. So this is how the hair looks from the inside. It's a 13 by 4. It's an ear to ear, and then it comes with 4 combs. Is it 4? Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes with 4 combs, and it also has adjustable straps. I got it for 1,500 rands. I'm not sure how much it is in dollars, but it's 1,500 in rands, and I think it's quite reasonable for the quality and for the length. And the shipping was free, mahala, huh? And it's free whether you order from the website or you order from AliExpress. The shipping is just free. And then the communication with the seller, I spoke to a guy by the name of Lucas, so he kept me up to date regarding sending off the hair and everything like that. So the communication was smooth, and he's been checking up on me to check if I've received the hair and everything like that. So shout out to you, Lucas, and I give it a 10 out of 10. The quality of the hair is amazing. The density is amazing. The lace is nice and soft. I'm sure you guys know by now I don't know how to cut or customize hair, so I'm gonna go to a salon and then get them to do it for me. That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it as well. If you have any questions regarding the hair, please feel free to ask on the comment box down below, but I'll make sure that I've put all the details that I have of the company. But should you want to ask me anything else, please feel free to do so. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.